Hi, this is Lisa from Prairie Imperfection, and this is part of my 2-Minute Mom series where I share with you tips that I've learned through motherhood. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a birth plan. First, you have to research all the options and get an idea of what you would like your birth plan to be. Then you have to find a medical practitioner that is going to have the same ideas as you, and trust your doctor and his medical expertise. He has done this for years, or she has done this for years. So trust his knowledge and his expertise and feel confident in his plans. Secondly, expect the unexpected. There is a lot about birth that you cannot control, so do not be disappointed if your birth plan goes awry, because I'm sure that will happen. I went into my birth plan hoping for an unmedicated birth, but I actually ended up getting an epidural, and that helped speed up my labor and ultimately was the best choice for me. So, if you are blessed enough to bring a baby home with you, just be thankful that you brought life into this world and you both get to go home. Some births do not end up like that. Every woman that gives birth, no matter what, if it's medically, non-medically, vaginally, C-section, that is awesome. We're bringing life into this world. Just rejoice in that miracle. And that's all I have for birth plans. If you liked this video or it was helpful, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out my playlist 2-Minute Mom for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.